Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your progress. Back up any world you care about so snapshots can't overwrite it. Once done, open the Minecraft launcher and go straight to installations. Make sure the snapshots toggle is enabled so snapshot builds appear. Next, click New Installation, name it, and select the snapshot you want from the version dropdown. You do this to isolate experimental changes from your stable profile and prevent accidental data loss. Once you've created the snapshot installation, make sure its game directory is separate so you can test safely without mixing saves. Then verify resource packs and mods. Snapshots can break compatibility, so disable or update them before launching. Also configure JVM arguments and allocate 2 to 4 GB of RAM if you expect heavier load. This reduces crashes. Finally, save the installation and double-check the version field shows the. Now launch the snapshot installation and load a fresh or backed-up world to observe changes. Play briefly to confirm mechanics, world generation, or new blocks behave as expected. If you find bugs, gather steps to reproduce and file a report so developers can address them. When you're done testing, switch your profile back to a stable release and restore backups if necessary. Tip: if the game crashes, disable mods and ensure your Java version and memory settings are correct. That fixes most snap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.